Well, hello guys, it's my sister. Welcome to our channel. Today we're playing Cruise Ship Tycoon. Let's go. I don't play a Roblox. I just play a bootleg game. So let's try if this game is the same. Wait. No, it's just a freaking base plate. No, it's fake. But every time I play these fake Game Pass games, you're just saying loading assets. I'm leaving. See? Wait. 36! Does everybody play? Am I going to fire? There's no Roblox games until this game is for... This is the real game. See? There's no like container in this description, but I can visit it with my Galaxy A30. Cruise Tycoon. How about this thing? Okay, at least this tycoon is great. So let us try. So I'm going to make the symphony, the gear of the seas. The gear of the seas. Oh, okay. Now it's a tycoon. Oh, okay. This tycoon on a boat. Okay. Okay, we need some rain. What the? Water park. I want some dog. Do I get it? Wait. Oh. Okay, how about this one? It looks like a crew. Okay. I see. Okay, that's it. Is it that it? Oh, there's some walls, floor, vents, electrical box. Now we have electricity. Electrical box. Now we have electricity. We have some walls, have some crates. Wow, we can have some crates. Can I go other method here? No, other method here. Online, I guess. Stairs? Wow. Stairs. Oh, okay, there's some more. Like, I can see all that. There's some door. How about there? Is there some door? No, there's a wall. Okay, I'm not going to do the second floor. I have to do the first floor. I have to do all of the second floor. Oh, can I run? Wi-Fi. Okay. Shelf. Picture frame. Who the hell put that shelf over there? Like everybody cannot eat down. Like one touch and falls. Couch. Oh, is this the dining room? No, is this the restaurant? Okay. It's the... Oh, there's more. Over there. Ceiling. white. Floor? Yay, floor. Floor. No, oh, dang it. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's emotes. Wait, what? I can emote here? Okay, like... Okay. What do you mean? It's my house. Okay, I need to take this. Okay, wow. Wow. Raining. Wow. Rain. Wow. Oh. Table. Wow. Wow. Wait, what? Oh, chocolate bar. Okay. What do you mean? I just... Oh, he got the lights. How do I get in there? Oh, I can go over there. What is that place? Okay, this table is open umbrella. All the tables doesn't open the umbrella. There's saving, drawers. Wait, I thought you were windows. How about ceiling? Okay. What do you mean? Oh, it looks like Krusty Krab. Barrels with a table, aquarium. Wow, can I buy some fish? Where's the fish? Where's the water? Oh. Wait, can I just drown myself inside the water? No. You cannot die. Oh, I meant... Oh, it can restart. That's kind of tabulating. Let's see. Okay, I want to see what those people... Is it me? Or there's some people against the board this shit. Okay. Oh no! The bus. The bus tycoon. Oh, we got the lights. Oh, Wait, she's gonna do some stuff. Lollies. Lollies. Okay, let me take off this screenshot. What the? Okay. Oh crap. One button, I guess. Okay, give me some money. Give some. Give. Oh, my money is going to go to 0. 24? What the heck? Okay, if I get more 2x. When I click verify, it just verify. I didn't join the group. Is die. Symphony. One part of his symphony. This is the symphony. Grayish, right? Well, again, do that on this cruise ship. Look, on the back, the cruise is done. Wait, who's driving this ship? Oh, 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 oh.